Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you should be able to find somewhere a toggle for it. Oh, it's right here for me, so it's called Battery Saver. And once you find it, simply click on it to turn it on. It gives you a pop-up that to extend battery life, Battery Saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activities, some visual effects and other features like Hey Google. And additionally, this device does use a high refresh rate. I believe it's like 120 or something like that. So that will also be turned off. That's what it means by visual effects. So let's select turn on. And as you can see, there's our dark theme. Additionally, our device is now at 60 frames instead of the 120. And yeah, that's basically how you would turn it on. Once you're done with the power saving mode, I believe you can either charge the device to full, and I think it turns it off automatically, but you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on a toggle once again. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.